Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be preparing some shrimp pasta. All I need are some shrimp, some pasta. Get yourself milk and butter and let's go cooking. So I'm going to start off by cooking my pasta. And to that I'm going to add some salt to the water and add a little oil to prevent sticking. So this is the brand pasta that I'll be using. You can go ahead and choose whichever pasta you like. And I'll be cooking these until al dente, not soft and chewy, nice and firm. So now I'm moving on to my shrimp. I will be washing my shrimp and removing the tail from the shrimp and then season them with some all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, garlic powder and onion. So I went ahead and add a very small amount of butter, and I will be cooking my shrimp each side like 3 minutes or until they are red and nice. Go ahead and remove my pasta. Now I'm adding cold water to stop the cooking process. For today's side, we're going to do some sweet corn. At this time, I'm going to saute some onions, sweet pepper, garlic, and pepper and put that aside. And I just added some all-purpose seasoning to that. After sauteing my vegetable, I'll be going ahead and making my roux, which is butter and flour. And I'm going to cook that up until it's nice and golden brown. And I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. So at this time, I'm just going to mix everything together and try remove every lump so that it's smooth and nice. Okay, after mixing everything together, getting rid of all the lumps, I add some thyme, some meat seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, season up my sauce, and added a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So now I'm going to add the vegetables that I saute, and I'm going to add my shrimp and my pasta and combine everything and give that a stir and simmer for like about 2 minutes, and voila, you have some nice creamy delicious shrimp pasta. And this is the end result, guys. I do hope y'all enjoy this video. I had an amazing time doing it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in another video.